Hello everyone, my name is Anita Sen, your science teacher from Shri Rama Bharti Public School. Today I will explain few topics from light. So let's start. Now today we will discuss lenses. Now what is a lens? A lens is a transparent material such as glass with two surfaces out of which at least one is a spherical surface, as you can see here, the two surfaces, right? Both. Now a lens, what is a lens? So lens is a transparent material with two surfaces and out of which at least one is a spherical surface. Now there are two types of lenses. One is convex lens and second is concave lens. Convex lens is also known as converging lens. Why? Because they always converge parallel beam of light passing through them. And as you have seen, the convex lens, they are thicker at the middle and thinner at the edges. Concave lenses, they are known as diverging lenses. Why? Because they diverge a parallel beam of light passing through them. And as you have seen that here, they are thinner at the middle and thicker at the edges. Now, a lens has two spherical surfaces. Hence, it has two centers of curvature. Now, what is this principal axis? A straight line passing through two centers of curvature. A straight line passing through the two centers of curvature of the lens is called principal axis. And the point at the center of a lens such that a light ray passes through it emerges from the lens undeviated from its direction is called the optical center. As you can see here, the optical center. This is the optical center of both. One is convex lens, one is concave lens. Now, the parallel beam, now as you can see in the diagram also, the parallel beams of light, when they passes through a convex lens, they always converge at a point. They always meet at a point. And this point is known as principal focus. The distance between the principal focus and you can see the optical center. This distance from principal focus to optical center is known as focal length. Now, in concave lens, as you see in the beam of light, when they passes, they do not meet at a point. They always seems to meet at a point that is known as their principal focus. So this point where it appears to diverge is called the principal focus of the concave lens. This is known as the concave lens, principal focus of the concave lens. So the distance between the principal focus and the optical center, principal focus and optical center will be known as focal length. So images formed by the convex and concave lenses, there will be a difference there. The image of the object. Now, when a beam of light after passing through a convex lens, it converges at a point, right? But in the concave lens, it seems to be meet at a point. So a convex lens forms diminished or magnified image depending on the position of the object from the lens. Whereas a concave lens cannot produce a real image. So as the light rays passes through it, it do not converge. So it always forms a virtual, diminished and erect image. Now, what are the uses of the lenses? Now, lenses, they are always used in many devices. Like if you say the convex lens, it is used as a magnifying glass or simple microscope, in compound microscope, in cameras, in spectacles, and concave lens also in spectacles to correcting the short-sightedness as well as in the telescope. So what is the difference between the convex lens and a concave lens? Convex lens is known as converging lens, concave lens diverging. As we have seen in the diagram also, the convex lens is thicker in the middle and thinner at the edges, but the concave lens is thinner in the middle and thicker at the edges. Convex lens form inverted and real image from all the distances except except when the object is placed very close to the lens, then it will form a virtual and erect image. But concave lens, they always form virtual, erect, and smaller images, whatever be the position of the object. I hope you understand each and every topic properly. So it's time to say goodbye.